Dr. Mchangizi here with your science moment. Today I'm going to just make a quick point, and that science isn't science. Numbers aren't numbers unless you have some kind of control with which to compare something to. Without proportion, the numbers that you're hearing mean nothing. Unfortunately, back in March of 2020, almost all of the numbers that you heard of about the number of COVID cases, the number of COVID deaths, the number of ICU admissions, all of these things were stated without telling you what they were in 2016 or 17 over the last 20 years. There was no sense of proportion. And none of us had any idea what those numbers ought to be because we don't typically pay attention to these sorts of things. Same thing actually happened for me. My Japanese the reprint of Vision Revolution occurred actually in about March of 2020. And I saw many pictures of it. It's a bestseller in Japan, piles of it, and I had never realized that as big as the sales were, in fact, compared to the American edition, it's in fact tiny. Everything without the proper comparison, without comparing apples to apples rather than apples to oranges, nothing is scientific. And that was your science moment.